Hello everyone, we will take this hair design maker and then take a section from the top, insert it into it. Now take sections from either side of the hair, insert it into each of the crevices of this device. Now do this until you reach the bottom, and once you reach the bottom, tie a rubber band around it. Make sure that you use a decorative rubber band so that it looks all the more better. Now once you are done with this, adjust the hair around it accordingly. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Take this multiple prong decorative pin and insert it in as such. Now take the rest of the hair, divide it into 3 parts and then begin to braid it. Once you reach the bottom of the braid, tie a rubber band to it, loosen it on either side using your fingers as such. Roll it upwards, make it into a bun, fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Roll this section of the hair in on itself, then tie a low ponytail out of the hair as such. Add another section in the middle and then roll it upwards, make it into a bun, take the excess hair, make sure that there is none remaining. After you roll it upwards, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Use a decorative twine and then wrap this ponytail around the hair twine. After you have done this, tie a rubber band to the hair and then make it into a bun. After you wrap it up into the bun, adjust the decorative piece as you please. We have chosen to keep it on the side. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Use a multiple prong decorative pin and insert it into the ponytail as such. Take the bottom portion of the hair, comb it to begin with, then divide it into 3 parts and then begin to make a braid outfit. Once you reach the base, add a rubber band to it. Adjust the side portions of the hair using your fingers by loosening it out and then roll this up into a bun. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, twist one behind the other at the back. Lift it up and then use a multi-level clip to it. Divide the rest of the hair into 3 parts, twist each of these sections and then insert it into each of the levels of the clip. For the right side, twist it and insert it into the left side, and then for the left side, twist it and insert it into the right side. Now at the top, gather all of the hair together, tie a rubber band to it and then make it into a bun. Roll it downwards as such and then fasten it using a bobby pin, and then this is what it should look like. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, use a multiple prong decorative pin, insert it into place. Add a rubber band at the top end of the hair and then fasten it downwards. Once again, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Tie a ponytail to the hair, then use this decorative clip after lifting the ponytail up. Comb the rest of the hair in place. Add a rubber band to the end of it. After this, fasten the top of the hair downwards. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Adjust the hair. Thank you for watching.